Welcome back to Jaboy's Garage. This is a brand new camera. I don't really know exactly how to use it, so bear with me, and I guess you'll see me progress in the future with it. But let's see what we're doing. We got the LMM up on the lift. We're gonna put a DJM lowering kit, as you guys see right there. We got started in the rear. I had to pull my fasts out of the way right there. Gonna take the U-bolts off, drop the axle first, and then start working on taking off the leaf spring bolts. Thankfully, I don't gotta drop my receiver in the rear to do my drop shackles and all that, just because I already have the 3-inch drop shackles. Let me get some light in there. As you see there, this truck is a New England truck, so I'm definitely gonna be fighting quite a bit of stuff on it. But let's get to it. Let's drop the axle. Gonna do this with keeping the shock in place so it keeps my axle from moving around, but I want to bring my axle a lot further down, so I'm just gonna undo it, but I'm gonna leave all the other side together so it just like flex basically. That way I can't risk the axle falling out of its place, because I don't want to undo drive shaft and brake lines and bleed all that. I don't want to give myself more work than I have to, so I think that's gonna be my best bet. Leave the other side together. Anyone want some nice little new Ranchos? Not very new. There we go. Let's get rid of this one. Come on. Oh, Jesus. So we're down to 1 leaf spring. We're gonna put 1 back on. Take out 2 leaf springs in the overload. See how low we can get this thing. We're probably in the future gonna have to C-notch this. Really hoping my exhaust, I can leave it coming out the back, because I did spend a good amount of money on making this exhaust tip. Wish me luck, because I don't think this side's going to be very easy. I really don't want to take the tank out. Oh, let's go. Got the first leaf spring part. I got nothing to do back there, thankfully. Just got to get all these little riv nuts. Let me get some better light in there. These little riv nuts. There's, I think, 8, 4 on each side. I got to take them all off. And then get one of those over. Focus. I don't know if you guys can see it. It's over there. The new hanger on to raise the leaf spring up and lower the truck. I don't know yet exactly what my not quite sure yet what my plan of attack is on this thing. I think I might just torch cut them all and then just punch them out with the hammer. I think that probably would be the best bet. Now it's time to put focus this up in there. I thought I was gonna get lucky and not have to touch my fuel tank, but I literally cannot access these three. Cannot access these 3 behind there. All right, well sadly I'm at a little standstill. These U-bolts are absolutely cooked, so I'm gonna replace them. Alright, now looking back at it, just with 2 leaf springs, just in an emergency, if I ever have to put a little bit of weight in here, I think that's not enough leaf springs. So I'm going to put 1 more back in and go from there. Then I have my brand new U-bolts. So we should be able to finish this rear and start the front today. And he's down another turbo. Rear is absolutely done. let's turn the light on. Got the rear shocks in. We ended up going with 3 leaf springs just for now. And I guess let's put the wheels on and drop it on the ground and see how it looks.
Yo.
Well, quick update. The truck looks amazing, but I only have 1 inch between leaf spring and axle. So we're gonna have to C-notch it, which sucks. I have to pull the bed. I really did not want to do that. Now that we got the back, sorry about the heater in the background making noise. We're gonna do the front, figure out if I actually do have to C-notch it. I more than likely will end up having to C-notch it, but for now, we'll just send it as it is. But let's get going on the front. Absolutely fighting these torsion bars to come loose. I tried heating them up, cutting the control arm out. My issue is over there. Oh, right here. The key's like stuck on, but I can't really mess too much with the torch on this side. All we're heating up, and I really shouldn't be heating up torsion bars, I'm pretty sure. But it's leaving me no choice. I'm trying to cut out my control arm since it's junk. I really cannot get these torsion bars to move. Quick update, we got the lower control arms in on both sides. Definitely could not get the keys out of here. So I just literally took out the 4 bolts that hold the torsion bar cross brace thing. So I loosened this thing, as you guys, let me try to get a better angle. As you guys can see, so I just pushed everything back. Thankfully, I don't have to change the keys at all. So as long as I got the torsion bars out of the old control arms, which that's exactly what I did. Toss these in, put everything back in. I just kind of put everything back together. Quick update, we got the front pretty much together. We got the front shocks in, torsion bars all in. Oh, come on, focus. Let's get some light in there. I just gotta lower it. Everything's nice and tight on this side. Just actually, I still have to do the sway bar. We're working on getting this shock in. Good going, Marcus.
Butterfingers.
But we're gonna get in that shock in. Then we're probably gonna lower the truck to do the sway bars, toss the wheels on, and get a look at it. Final update. Finally got everything together. Got the wheels on, sway bar. Time to lower it and see what it looks like. Daylight, let's look at it. It is obnoxiously low. I definitely gotta take my valence out, and we got some trimming to do, quite a bit everywhere. There's a lot to go to this now. But for now, it's gonna stay like that. So I hope you guys enjoyed. Please like, share, subscribe for more. And then stay tuned for what we got going on with the daily. And then the LBZ inside and whatever we do. As you see, Marcus' truck's all the way over there, abandoned. There's a lot going on, so just stay tuned. Please like, share, subscribe for more. Until next time, peace.